Hello guys, this is Mitul Mehta from NGGate. I welcome you all to the NGGate. Hope your learnings are going quite well. So today's topic is stress tensor from the strength of the material. So first of all, what is stress tensor? It is basically a matrix that is used to represent stresses at a point in a complex loading system. As we know that the stress has magnitude, direction and orientation of the plane on which it acts. Stresses shown for the 3D loading systems are 3 normal stresses and 6 shear stresses. Similarly for 2D, 2 normal stress and 1 shear stress component is noted. So now let's talk about the notations, how the phase and the force direction is noted that we will see. So as you can see, the notation of the shear and normal stresses are tau and sigma. Now the first subscript shown by x here indicates the plane on which force is acting. Means x shows that the force applied in x plane or say yz plane. The next notation shows the force direction on which the force is being applied. Here y shows that the force is being applied in the y direction. Here a cube is shown for understanding of the stresses and its notation. As shown, the x phase is a plane perpendicular to the x-axis or say yz plane. Similarly, z phase and y phase is shown. Now stress in the x direction on x plane is shown by sigma xx as we discussed earlier in the notation section. Similarly, sigma yy and sigma zz is notated. Now as you can see, there is shear stress on x phase. That is shown over here. So here is a reverse component of it and couple produced due to it. To balance out this induced couple, another couple is generated that is shown by the red arrow over here. Similarly, stresses on all the planes are shown over here one by one, as you can see for the x plane and for y plane and for z plane also. Now here is an example given for the red arrow. The red arrow is in the y plane and it's in the x direction. So notation is tau yx. Similarly for the blue arrow, the plane is same but the force direction is changed to z. So the notation is tau yz. So here is a task for you. Write down in the comment section the notation of the green and blue arrow in the red plane that is shown over here. So now moving further, all stresses are shown in the form of the matrix that is called stress tensor. As shown here, the phase notation is arranged horizontally and force direction is arranged vertically. That is, the first row will have all the components of x phase and the first column will have all the components of x direction of the force. Now in row, first letter is of same color that shows phase, and in column second letter is of the same color that shows the direction of the force. The same phenomena is for strain also. The matrix for strain is called strain tensor. Here normal strain and shear strain are shown. Now here is a question for you. Why shear strain is multiplied by factor of half? Write down your answer in the comment section and we will discuss in the next video. So that's all for today. Thank you for your time and thank you for connecting with us. Also write down your any queries if you have, and yes, like, share and subscribe to the channel for regular updates.